All right. You know, expectations of a sneaker can really be an annoying thing. Sometimes it works out and it's everything you wanted in that pair of shoes. Got an unboxing today and I'm hoping that this pair of Jordans comes through and is everything that I want it to be, because I do have some high expectations. But anyway, we've got 3 different pairs of sneakers. I think all of them are actually really cool, but I've obviously yet to see them, so we're gonna unbox them together, see what they're all about. I always like to try and get into these videos as quick as possible. You know, don't waste your time with all of the subscribe to the channel and all of that. But since I'm speaking about it, if you did want to subscribe to the channel, feel free to do so. So, an end clothing pair of sneakers. These are not actually sold out, so if you did want this pair, I believe you can pick it up right now. They are actually in limited sizes, like some sizes are actually sold out. So we got an Adidas box. Let me be the first to say I really do not like this box. I don't like the half opening diagonal thing going on. Damn. It's the Zebra Ultra Boost. Look at that. Wow, they actually nailed it on just the lookalike to a pair of Zebra, obviously the Zebra Yeezy 350. What do you think? These I just thought I had to pick up. Like, this looks so sick. Obviously, if you like the Yeezy Zebra, or maybe, hey, you weren't able to get the Yeezy Zebra, then I think this is an awesome option. It's an Ultra Boost 5.0, so the knit pattern is actually really good. It's like, I think, softer than a 1.0. However, generally speaking, it's as kind of close to the 1.0 as possible. It almost has a little bit of the 2.0 in there as well. So it's nice and stretchy on the toe box. It's got the same makeup as an Ultra Boost 1.0, so if you've ever tried on a 1.0, and then the little details like the Adidas logo up here on the tongue and the Ultra Boost logo on the heel counter is red, kind of like the SPLY that was in red on the Zebras. These are so cool. I'm so glad that they released them. They look super clean in hand. Like, honestly, these are gonna be so fresh. A great summer shoe. So retail £140, same as any other Ultra Boost. If you like the 1.0 or the 2.0, I think you're really going to like this 5.0. Definitely a good alternative to the Yeezy 350 if that's something you don't have your hands on, or it's just something that you don't want to pay that price, which I completely understand. The next package, which is something which was like a little bit of an impulse buy, I must say. It is from Nike, and I got my address all over here, so I'm just gonna unbox this one down here. Here we go. We've got a Nike tick on the top. It's a little bit of a different box. Let's pop these open and let me show you the pair I got. This is the pair right here. Some absolute stompers. This is the Matthew Williams Air Force One, and it's got this freaking lock at the top. Look at that. That is a hefty buckle. Super sturdy. Like, this is not going to unbuckle itself at all, or like, you know, kind of break or anything. It seems like a solid piece of metal right here. Like I said, this is an Air Force One high, and they released 2 colorways. There was a white one and this black one. The white one completely sold out, and the price tag on these is like £350 here in the UK. So when I saw that and then I saw them sold out, I was like, damn, why are people buying this? They must have something about them that is really cool. And honestly, I really like these a lot, and the leather feels freaking fantastic as well. The colorway, even though it is pretty plain, actually looks really sick when you're wearing it. Again, the materials I think are going to be a huge driving factor to why people like these so much. Obviously, the Matthew Williams, the Alex branding that you find all over. I'm not too sure if I'm actually saying that right. Alex. Let me give you the toe box press test. Of course, super kind of thick, premium, but still nice and soft leather that you find all over these. These just look freaking badass. Pass these off to the side and let me chuck open our final pair for today. And while we're unboxing this, I might as well mention, I know you guys roasted me in the comments of my upcoming sneakers video because I was kind of crying about it being so hot in here. And I was like, yo, it's 80 degrees and I'm sweating and these lights are on me. And then everybody started saying, oh yeah, out in NYC it's like 100. Here in Nevada it's like 120. Listen, okay, I know that it's hot out in the US, and I know that there's plenty of other parts of the world where it gets a lot hotter, but here in the UK, for the most part, it's always raining and it's always cold. So when we get temperatures like this, it's something we're not used to. It's a retail hit, which is something that's very, very rare for me and Jordan 1s. So all over, I'm just ecstatic to be able to have this pair and not have spent resale. Like, I've seen a lot of people like have kind of negative opinions on this shoe or just kind of been a bit meh. So, but I mean, I'm honestly really excited about this colorway. I really like it. So let's pop the top off and let me show you the pair of shoes that we got. And it is the crispy clean Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. Man, these are clean. Let me just do a quick little leather press test. Let me take that cardboard out. Toe box press test. Look at that. Man, these are actually not bad at all. They're soft. Let me lace these up real quick because they look a bit whack like this. All right, we got them laced. You also get some extra laces in the box, which honestly, I think I might go with the white or maybe even this orange color. I think that looks pretty sick. But yeah, it comes with black laces, so you got 3 different options there. Clean colorway, man. Honestly, I'm actually excited about these. These are gonna be super fresh for the summertime. Honestly, I told myself before these released, if the leather is trash, it is going to significantly lower my enthusiasm about this shoe, but I am happy to say that it is not bad by any means. It's not the best, obviously, it's a Jordan 1, but as far as Jordan 1 leather goes, it's soft and it feels good. So yeah, let me know if you guys managed to grab this pair. If anybody in the UK, if you don't have a pair yet, maybe just wait it out a little bit, because I've seen a lot of different retailers kind of popping up with different raffles, and obviously Nike sneakers didn't release, so hopefully they still do. It's kind of a bit up in the air as of why they delayed it or what really is going on with that situation. But I would maybe hold off for a week or two, unless you're super desperate to get this pair in hand, which if you are, I do have to say, listen, the resale is not actually that bad, which is nice. It's a great summer colorway. I'm liking this a lot. Obviously, I think the main reason why people are kind of hating or disliking this pair of shoes is because of the color blocking. As you can see, it's not necessarily, I've got a pair of mochas over here, it's not necessarily the kind of traditional Jordan 1 color blocking. Like, this is all white, whereas on other colorways you normally get like the whole solid color on the back panel and the Jordan wings kind of piece over there. So yeah, but I mean, hey, it's a blank canvas, guys. You can customize these. Paint that bottom part or paint this part here. Paint them both. Paint this orange to a black and then chuck some orange on this back part, and then hey, you've got some shattered backboards. And I quite like this orange. It's almost got like a little bit of a metallic sheen to it, so it's almost a little bit kind of glittery, if that makes sense. I don't know how much you can pick up on camera. But overall, leather feels good. It feels good enough for me. Color blocking, I think, is really dope. A lot better than some colorways we've seen of the Jordan 1, so I'm happy with this one. I mean, hey, you guys remember the Shattered Backboard 3.0, the chicken grease ones that were, you know, kind of really that shiny plastic, wrinkly patent leather? Everybody hated on those, and honestly, I would take this pair over that one any day, but that's just my opinion. If you guys really prefer the actual shattered backboards, then you can go and pay that ridiculous resale that some of those colorways are going for now, but I'm really happy with this one. I think these are gonna bang in the summertime. But listen, guys, I'm gonna check out right here. Let me know if you wanna see a review. I wanna see some mad comments down in the comment section. If you do actually wanna see a review on this Electro Orange, go and like the comments that say that they wanna see a review, because yeah, I'm not too sure. It seems like it's a little bit too late at this point, but yeah, I'll listen to you guys. If you guys do, I'll put up a review. Let me know if you want to see a review on the Yeezy Ultra Boost, the Yeezy Zebra Ultra Boost. I could definitely do a review on these. I think these are super, super clean. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then,